Hey, what's going on, guys? We're trying something new. Joe and I are at a restaurant, and it is called the Love Thai Sushi. It is a beautiful, brand new sushi and Thai restaurant at the fountains. Got these giant roll-up doors for the summertime, and a patio. It's very nice.
Still this facade, and you can have the other one.
All right, you guys, we just got finished at Love Thai Sushi. Tried some sushi, tried the pad thai, and tried the beef pho bowl. PHO, I guess that's what it is. Everything was delicious, everything was fresh. The pad thai was really good. The noodles were good, they were hot, the flavor was there. My protein was tofu, and it was just delicious. It was perfectly fried, and wasn't too many in there, and it wasn't like not enough. It was actually just perfect. I didn't even finish the bowl. It was the pad thai. It was really that much food. And then we tried two sushis, raw tuna roll, but it was a spicy, and then we just had like a spicy California roll. Kind of see the difference, and both of those were rolled good. The rice was fresh. Everything tastes delicious. The beef pho bowl was also delicious with noodles, and it was a go. So Love Thai Sushi, you did good. We'll see you later.